Hello there everyone. So what are some of the preparation kits or items that you need to prepare in case COVID hits you? Just a brief disclaimer, this is a non-professional medical advice, so take what I said with a grain of salt and try to consult with medical professionals or doctors. Here we go. Another disclaimer that I'd like to share is that I don't have COVID yet, so there you go. Second disclaimer. So here are some of the items that I have purchased. It's not all exhaustive, but these are just some of the essential stuff that I've bought. The key thing that I've prioritized in purchasing is mostly vitamins. So I've bought zinc, I've bought magnesium, and I've bought vitamin C. So all these vitamins are to me very crucial in building up my own immune system in the fight against COVID infection should it arises. The other items is mostly some hygienic stuff like toothbrush, toothpaste, Listerine, some razor blades. When possible, I'll just probably add that up later. Why? Because you may have to stay within the room for quite a long time and you wouldn't even want to go to the kadai or to the shops to get this while still under quarantine. So yeah, hygiene is important. The other bit that I like to suggest is all these medicines, coughing medicines. So this is a very famous Chinese medicine produced in Hong Kong. So it helps to relieve the bad coughing that accompanies COVID. There's also this called Briacol. In terms of the sore throats, then strepsils and all these fisherman's friend, it's actually quite good because then it helps to relieve the sore throat and blocked nose. And I wonder why Bruneians haven't actually bought this, because it's very helpful based on the recommendations I read online. I also bought this, you put it into the nose and you'll feel like this sense of relief. And then there's like some Ventolin, because I have asthma and this will really help out for me. And some Panadols, helps to relieve some of the other pains. And of course you get like the ART kits. Well, I only have one, as you can see. I need to stock up more of this. And unluckily, there's lots of stockpiling by other people, and I'm just gonna have to wait until I can acquire new ARTs. And you get the usual tissues and all. And then we go to the other bit. Okay, maybe this one will fall. The medicine, you get the X brand. So this one will help out to lower some of the temperatures in case I do have fever, or maybe some of the aches in the muscles. So there's also the cleaning products. Like I suggest like purchasing a very big hand sanitizer and a small one. There's also the disinfectant spray. This one almost runs out. So we have to stock this one up, and some fabric antibacterial spray, just to kill off some of the bacteria or viruses that may linger in the air. I also acquired like some dry food. Why dry food? Well, it's not easily perishable, as you can see. This one can last quite a long time, and plus I'm somewhat lazy to cook. Or in case if someone doesn't manage to cook, or you want to avoid the kitchen and avoid infecting your whole family, then you buy this. You get Quaker, you get Ideal, you get like the best coffee in the world, in my opinion, and there's like the Jacobs with meal. So these are very good items. Obviously I will stock up with more products. And then there's like books that I will have with me. I think in this period of trying times, it would be a good opportunity for self-reflection and for learning. So having these books around would enrich the mind and indirectly enrich the soul. Then there's like the usual laptops and this phone right here to help in the communication process. Or use it to stream Netflix and all. Not that I have Netflix, but yeah. Then I have also prepared this travel bag. Within it contains towels, masks, of course masks, tissues, but of course I'm gonna have to put in all my other clothing over here too, or maybe in a separate one. But in case if we do get into the NIC, then we already have all our things prepared. We can just put everything inside, everything is organized, you get everything what you need, and that's terrific. And that's good. So these are some of the preparatory items that I have prepared for myself. All the items that I've shown would cost around $200 or so. Okay, maybe it's an estimation or overestimation, but I think it should be around that ballpark figure. So maybe it's an over preparation or overkill, but to me I find it necessary to over prepare because I know for certain if COVID hits me, then at least I've got what I need. I may not be able to change whatever destiny that Providence have decided for me, but at least I can make preparatory steps to make preparation in case the worst things happen. So these are some of the items I provided. So do you have any other items that you can recommend? So please do share in the comment section below. Perhaps it could really help out others in need. Okay, see you everyone.